Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Shaman J. It is finally happening. It's happening. ZeroLemon is now using a different material for the outside of their case. Now this is the case for the battery case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've been testing this out all day and it's time to go ahead and give you a little bit of a mini review, I guess. So I have the case on, you know, the ZeroLemon packaging comes in a brown box inside of another little envelope with yellow and white with red lettering, ZeroLemon. So this new texture here and this new outer coating is no longer the slippery version that they used to have, just a regular faux leather type. This is definitely some new recycled version, and this is a different material as well. It has texture now. It has a matte kind of light texture to it. And to be fair, this is, and what I'm saying is this is really nice. I actually like this better than the leather type style that they were doing before. This is really, really sleek. It's a matte finish now, not shiny at all, and it's actually pretty nice. So obviously in ZeroLemon fashion, they leave you instructions here, and then when you open up the case, which I'll show you here in just a second, instructions are all over this case on how to use it. So on this side here, you can see a little bit of ZeroLemon branding right here with Zero Shock. That's what they do for these types of cases, because this is in fact a case. Now here's the strange part. This is 10,000 milliamps, folks, but this is not very heavy at all. I don't know what they did with the battery technology, but in fact, this is not heavy at all. It is not. Like, it's literally super easy to hold and manage. Very nice. Now you've got the two cutouts out on top here for your microphone canceling. Then you see you have your camera back here on the back where it's deeply recessed now, so you can lay it down flat and there's no problems. You got your S Pen in the back right here, your microphone and speaker cutout, and your Type-C charging. And the S Pen is obviously really easy to get to, as you can see. And along the back here, you got that ZeroLemon, official ZeroLemon branding. This is the case right here, Zero Shock. And these little side pockets here are actually how you keep the case on, how it stays in place. So let's go ahead and take the case off. Typically, when you get this out of the mail and you first open it, it's gonna have to be a black tab right here that says open here. So this is the weakest point in this case, basically. As you can see, it'll help you fold down. Like this is obviously the weakest point. And this is what I wanted to point out here. This is a completely different material, folks. There are a lot of ZeroLemon fans out there like myself, and this new matte feel and this like semi-rough sandstone, that is what I want to tell you it feels like, but really mild. It's really, this is so much better than the previous generation that they were using. And then you just want to come along this part here and pop it open, and you pop your phone out, and then you have your phone right there. Now, it's, like I said before, instructions, it's just no way to mess this up when using this. No way. So as you can see there, that is how it comes apart. So obviously putting it back in is going to be the same procedure. Just make sure you read the instructions. Like, I mean, they give you the instructions, so there's really no way to mess this up. But I guess people who are not too tech savvy or don't follow instructions well will mess it up. I don't see how. But just make sure you go all around the edges when you're putting this on. And then if you want to turn this on, you see you press it, hold it once right here, and it'll power on, and then you'll have it turned on. Now the case is fully charged and the phone is fully charged, so it's not going to charge my phone. It's charging it, but it's not using any power right now. So that is what it is. Now, another thing I want to point out is that I have a tempered glass on here, and it is tempered glass friendly. Like, seriously, this is just another case, but it has a huge battery in the inside. Now I'll power it off here. Now, one thing I want to notice, these buttons feel a little different. They're not as, I mean, the volume rocker area is clicky, but this power button is kind of stiff. So it's kind of stiff, but the volume rocker, which is kind of an important part here, it feels really good. Overall, folks, I've tested tons of ZeroLemon cases, and this one is no exception. I will try to remember to follow up, but sometimes when I get things like this, I just start using them after the unboxing and I forget to follow up because it just becomes the norm for me just having the product. Now, I will say once again, This 10,000 milliamp hour battery in here, folks, just doesn't feel like it. It's lightweight. It's no longer like I used to say, this is a brick, this is a brick. It's just not like that anymore, man. I don't know what it is, what they've done with the battery technology and the overall case itself. They've definitely made it lighter and more efficient for weight purposes, because this is technically now 15,000 milliamps, and I've got some other phones that have a 15,000 milliamp battery built inside, and they are way heavier than this. So they've done some improvements with the battery technology and just the overall case itself, and it's really nice. So this is one that I think you might want to consider if you're looking at a ZeroLemon case or just a 10,000 milliamp hour case for your device. Now, when you go to the Amazon link, it's probably not going to look as good as this on the picture. It's like some default picture up there, but I can tell you this case is like a soft touch, little grainy sandstone, but it's just so much better. The picture doesn't do this justice. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick look at the 10,000 milliamp hour battery with super fast charging, I might add. Wireless charge. Remember, they added these things last time. So it has wireless charging. It has super fast charging, obviously. So, and you can just use this as a cover, period, just to leave it on your device, because this is a case. People forget that this is a case. So if you want a wireless charge, you very well can. And if you want to plug in, you can. It's so nice. And the way I use it is I just leave it on the phone. I plug it up to charge, and it charges the phone first, and then it starts to charge the case. So overall, more grip. You still have your wireless charging. You still have your fast charging. It charged really fast too. I used I think a 55 watt charger. I think I used, and it charged pretty quick. So, but I have 120 watt chargers as well. So it's up to you to determine to use what you want to use, because, you know, ZeroLemon doesn't give you a charging brick or anything in the box. So basically, whatever phone you have, just use that charger and you should be fine, and just let it charge up overnight. Leave your phone plugged in the case, you leave it in the case and just plug up everything, and you'll get a lot of charge out of it. So I suspect that this will give me 2 charges, maybe one full charge, and then like another 45 to 50% charge. So I'll have a 2.5 times the battery life that I had before. I already get 2 days out of this thing and a little bit more. It says 3 on the phone, but like if you look at my battery stats, it might say 3 days left or something like that. But that's just not, once you start to use it, it goes down. Let's optimize this. And then we'll go back to battery. And then I'll show you here. See, it says 4 days, 4 hours. That's definitely not right. I'm only gonna, well, I could probably do that now with this battery pack on there, but the phone itself is what it's reading. Remember, the battery pack isn't on. The phone is reading 4 days, 4 hours, when in reality, I'm getting like 2.5, almost 3 days. So with this case, I can go a week. We shall see. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the new ZeroLemon, man. I'm telling you, when you look at the photos on Amazon with the link down below, it's not gonna look like this per se. It's got a little glitteriness to it from the sandstone look, more texture, everything, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Link down below. I know you guys are gonna grab this one.